Hello guys, I'm Nora. Welcome to Ningbo ONEREEL. Today I will introduce this product, wire bonding spool. Its nickel coatings on the surface are used to improve physical sensing properties, such as wear resistance, heat resistance, or corrosion resistance. And it also has dual functions, like providing bright decoration coating and strengthening corrosion resistance. Wire bonding spool include 2x2 inch and 2x1 inch anodized aluminum spool, conductive aluminum spool, nickel plating aluminum spool, 6-3 big flange aluminum spool, and 2x1 ASTM aluminum spool. The colors include pink, purple, blue, silver, black, or green, and yellow. And of course, we also provide customized designs and colors. You can find out the details in our website.